Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you the prizes that I won from a recent competition that I entered. If you've been following me for a while, you may have seen my M&M raffle that I won. It was a good couple of weeks back now, where I won M&M Nail Art Supply's whole new collection of glitter that they're selling. If you're not aware of who M&M are, they are Facebook based, and they've got a group on there, and they sell lots of really awesome nail art supplies. They do lots of glitter, stamping plates, stamping polish, nail foils, nail striping tape, all sorts. It's literally like everything nail art related they sell at really good prices too. It's run by two girls called Michelle and Michelle, and yeah, I've been aware of them. I think I made my first purchase with them probably nearly 2 years ago now, and I really love all their products, and their glitter is absolutely amazing. And they've been doing quite a lot of competitions and raffles lately, which is always really fun. And for Mother's Day, they had a competition where we could have 2 entries and we could do 2 sets of nails but using 3 of their products. And I love a good competition, and basically there was a winner and then a runner-up, and both of which got prizes, and I was ever so lucky to be a runner-up, which is really exciting. And yeah, I was really happy about that. So I received my prize today, and I just want to show you guys what I've got and show you some of their products. I'm like super excited to show you guys what I've got, and I'm going to start with this one first just because I have prepped a nail to test this one out because I'm curious. But here we have got a gold pigment powder. Look how gorgeous that is. So I've got a nail here. I've just put 2 coats of black gel polish on and sort of like flash cured a non-wipe top coat on there. And the thing I love about pigment powder is it really does go like so far. It doesn't look like you get a lot on a pot, but it just lasts forever because you use the tiniest amount, and it really stretches. And I just don't own a lot of pigment powders, so I was very excited to see that I've been sent some. But yeah, as you can see, the tiniest little amount on my fingers like covered the whole entire nail. And yeah, it's the gold one. And I know they sell quite a lot of pigment powders like in every single colour you could possibly imagine. They're really gorgeous, so if you're looking for some pigment powder, go and check them out. But yeah, I'm super happy it sent me one, so thank you so much. And it's like a really good sized pot's worth as well. Like I said, a little goes a long way, but it's actually like a pretty good amount in there. If I don't make as much of a mess with it as I am right now, then it'll last me a very long time. So very pleased about that. And then they sent me these, which I think are absolutely gorgeous. They're like metallic hearts. They're like metallic hearts, but I absolutely love the colours of them. They're absolutely stunning. They're gorgeous, and literally I've got so many in a pot. They're going to last me for so long. But I love these sort of things. Valentine's Day I had to buy some hearts because I didn't have any hearts whatsoever, and now I've got loads of them in like loads of different colours and everything, so I'm super excited about them. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing something with them soon. But I love the variation of colour because it just gives you so many options. Like if you're only doing like certain colour like themed nails, then it doesn't matter, because like in a pot like this you've just got like every single colour imaginable in there, so you're sorted. So yeah, very happy about that. Thank you ever so much. And then we've got some caviar beads, little fiddly things, but they do make designs look good. They look really good going around like rhinestones and stuff, and they are a pain in the ass to work with, but they do look really nice on a nail. And again, I've got a really good variation in colours in there, so thank you so much. I got some super cute decals. I really love the little owls with the little hats on. They're really cute. I like the bunnies. He looks like a grumpy bunny, but I like him. He's super cute. And some unicorns as well. But yeah, I don't have many unicorn things in my collection, so super happy. And I love these owls. I can't wait to do something with them. But yeah, thank you ever so much. Okay, then we got these rhinestones. So I've poured them into my pot just because the bag was sort of reflecting off my light. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up really, so it's not really looking like it's showing up very well. But these are incredible. They're really tiny, which I do love tiny little rhinestones because they're good for like putting in certain gaps. But these like multi-chrome, literally like shifting colours. You've got like blues, like yellowy, goldy, orangey, pink. They're just really cool. You got these blue ones there which seem to just sort of shift like blue and purple for the most part. But then you got some of the others that sort of got like more of like a yellowy gold purple sort of. But they're really different to anything I've got, and I love sort of like multi-chrome things like this, so I'm really excited to use them. And again, they've sent me a fairly decent amount there as well, so they'll last me ages. But yeah, I think they're really pretty. I wouldn't mind some more of these actually in different sizes. I'll have to have a look and see if they do sell these. Though I might get some more because they're really pretty. But yeah, you'll probably see me using these really frequently because I love gorgeous rhinestones like this. So thank you again, I love them. Okay, then we got some striping tape, which as you all know I do actually use quite frequently. I'm not going to get those two out of the packet, they're literally just gold and silver as you can see. But then we got this one here, which is like sort of like a pinky silver. Again, I don't know how well the camera's really showing that up there. It don't look like the camera's doing it much justice. But yeah, it's sort of like a silver tape, but like a pinky sort of purpley sort of tone to it, which is really awesome because I don't think I've got these all my striping tapes. And as you can see, I don't think I've got one. Yeah, I don't have one that's like anything even close to that, so that's always cool. I always love getting a new one in my collection, so thank you again. There's many different designs that I've done that this would have looked really nice on. But yeah, you'll definitely see me using that in future, so thank you. And then we've got these, which are very Christmassy. But they're just dots, as you can see. They're very like holographic, very reflective dots. You've got them in like sort of coppery, bronzy, goldy colour, red and green. I think that's all the colours in there. It's really hard to tell sometimes the holographic because what you got in there. But I love how sparkly they are, as you can see on the camera. They're absolutely gorgeous and I really love them. And again, it's something completely different I don't have in my collection, so very happy about that. And then last but certainly not least, I've been given these, which I don't have anything like these again, and I think they are going to look absolutely gorgeous. Like chop up a bit and encapsulate them in some like acrylic. But there's 6 different like leaves there, as you can see. They're all in different colours, but they're really beautiful. And yeah, I think chopped up and put into a nail and encapsulated would look really pretty. I just love getting new things I haven't got anything like. So I've got so much like netting and feathers and stuff now that I've been obtaining, and I can't wait. I finally ordered some monument today, so I'm going to be able to do my own nails again in hopefully a couple of days, which I'm really excited about. And I can finally start encapsulating things like this, which I'm really excited about because it's been weeks now. It's been weeks now since I've had a decent amount of monument, but yeah, I'm really excited to play with them. So thank you so much. I do love this store. Like, so I did do another video recently as well with their mystery bags. They do I think they're sort of like limited time things, but if you follow them on Facebook you'll see when they post them. But they do like mystery bags, and I bought a foil mystery bag with them and a glitter mystery bag, and I really couldn't have been happy with what I got. I was like, my expectations were lower because of other companies that I've bought mystery bags from where I've been like quite disappointed, and I was literally so buzzing about the contents of what I got in my mystery bags from M&M. Literally the foils were amazing, they were so beautiful and so unique. And like I said, I absolutely love their glitters because I bought one of their glitter mystery bags and also won their raffle, where I can't remember how many glitters it was now. I think it was about 20 or something like that, but there were so many and I love them. There were so many beautiful glitters, and yeah, I was really buzzing about that, and that literally made my day. And yeah, I just love the stuff that they sell. But like I said, they're on Facebook, which I'll link in the description box down below, and they are also on Instagram, which I'll also link in the description box below. But yeah, check them out because they're like I said, they quite regularly do like competitions and stuff, which are always fun. I think they've got a spring competition at the moment where you can do a set of spring nails. I was going to enter, but I haven't actually got around to doing the set yet, so I might end up missing out on that one. But I do love a good competition, and yeah, I'm really thankful for the bits they've sent me, and I just love their products, and I'm absolutely amazed with what they sent me here today. I literally love everything so much, and I'm definitely going to be using it soon. But yeah, massive thank you to both of them and Shelves for giving us the opportunity to win these gorgeous products. And yeah, check them out, their prices are really good and everything is really beautiful, and they're both two lovely women. So yeah, head on over to Facebook and check them out. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!